Good everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We've got this Lenovo here to fix this mini laptop, Lenovo mini laptop, Ideapad 110S. It has no power. It has no power. A friend of mine brought it in, which he tried to fix it by itself. I guess it didn't work. It decided to bring it in for repair. Okay, so here's the charger. When you connect okay, let's see. When you connect the charger, nothing happened. Okay, let's see together. Charger connected, nothing. You see, to check on the power supply there. There's nothing. It's not taking any current. You see, it's not taking any current. So let's see what could be the problem if we can fix it. Okay, let's check. As already opened, there's no screws for me to take out. Like I said, he tried to fix it on his own before sending it to me. Okay, let's see together. Here's the board. It has a small board here. But by me looking at this laptop, you can see there are things which is not so clear on the charging pin side. I'm not too sure if that is the problem, but it doesn't look clean. You see, on the charging pin, it doesn't look clean on the charging pin. It doesn't look clean on the charging pin. I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't look clean on the charging pin. So what I'm going to do now, let's connect the charger and see if let's connect the charger. Let's connect the charger. They will check for voltage. See, charger connected. Okay, you can see on the power supply it's not taking any current. Not taking any current. Where's the multimeter? Okay, negative pro to ground. You see that? Okay, let's put it there. Negative pro to ground. Then here, nothing. Okay, let's go inside here. You see here, it doesn't look good. I don't know if I should zoom it closer. You see here, see now it's sparking. See, I've got 20 volts there. You see, you can see it's like it's losing contact there. You see, I've got 20 on the multimeter. On the right pin here, nothing. So I think where we will start from on this repair, we're going to take out the board so that we can have access to the other side of the board and see what could be the problem. And see what could be the problem. Okay, let's disconnect. Okay, and we need to go back now. Okay, so we're getting access to the other side of the board by taking out these screws. I guess he have tried his best to see to fix this problem. Okay, but let's see what could be the problem. What could be the problem behind the board? What could be the problem behind the board? Okay, the LCD disconnected. Okay, touchpad, the keyboard. Okay, then the speaker. as well. It's open but hiding. Okay, here's the board. Did you see that? Here's the board. I see they've worked on it before. They've worked on it before. Oh my god, let's take this one aside. I see they've really worked on it before. They've really worked on the board. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I think the top, this top plate needs to go out. Let's take this one out. I'm just trying to get the power supply from the power supply there. Okay, there you go. Here is the board. When you follow the track, you see, when you follow the track, the positive track, then over here on the other side of the board, then we have the current sensor and the MOSFET. Did you see that? The current sensor. Let's zoom. Let's zoom. Don't know if it's clear enough now. Okay. Over here, here's the MOSFET, then the current sensor here. It's coming straight from the. It's coming straight from the positive track. This is a big track, 20 volts track. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. Firstly, like I said, it doesn't look neat on this side. What they did here. What they did there doesn't look good. But let's see if we can just maybe fix it a little bit, then try to see if we've got power. Need a nice bridge there. Need a nice bridge there. A nice bridge. 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 Okay. Okay. So now let's try connect the charger. Charger connected. Okay. The charger is connected now. Nothing. It's not taking any power. Okay. Let's look for voltage quickly. Charger connected, but not taking any power. Not taking any power. Okay. Negative pro to ground. Like I said to you, on this, see, we've got 20 there on the MOSFET. Then on the MOSFET to the current sensor. Okay, okay. You see now? Here, the input of that MOSFET. We've got 20 now. Then the output, we've got 20 as well. Now, here's the current sensor. We should have 20 here. 20 on the current sensor. 20. Okay. So, but still yet it's not taking any power. It's not taking any power. Let's try to switch it on. The laptop is on. Did you see that? Did you see that? Strange, yeah? That means the problem. It's strange, really. So it's restarted or something. That means the problem was you see, the track over here. Because when I check the first MOSFET, the input and output, the MOSFET is open. So why should it not switch on? Now they decided to press the power button, then the laptop is on. Uh, he tried. My friend tried, but he forgot to recognize there's a loss of contact from the positive track here. You see, he tried, but I see he tried, but forgot to fix the track. Okay, now let's test if ever. One moment, please. Okay, just a quick one. Let's check if we have a display and if the battery is charging. Let's check if we have a display and if the battery is charging. Okay. Okay. Let's just make it fast. I don't want the video to be so long. I don't want a long video. Okay. The CMOS. Oh, let's put this one. The heat sink first. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. Let's just put the heat sink so that I can quickly test if we have a display and if the laptop is charging. Like I said, I don't want the video to be so long. Huh? Okay. Okay, let's connect the keyboard. Keyboard connected. Then over here. Okay. Okay. Connected. Then the battery now connected. Okay. There's the charger. Charger connected. It's not taking any current. Let's power it on. It's on. The laptop is on. Okay. Then we have a display. You see that? Gonna restart itself because the CMOS battery was not there before. Let's wait. It's restarting. Okay. Like I say, it's just a quick fix. Just a quick fix. Just a quick fix. In the sense that if he knew that the contact from the middle pin, he should have put a nice jumper there to make it solid. You see, he should have put a nice jumper there to make it solid. And one more other thing, I can see the battery is not charging. I don't know, maybe the battery has a problem. Okay, let's just see quickly. I wanna check something quickly. Let's see. Okay, 5 volts. Okay. Okay, one of the data. 6. Okay. 7.5 volts. That's the battery capacity. 7.5 volts. I think I will stop this video now. And if you are watching this video, you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe for more repair videos like this. Okay. I'll stop this video now. Everything seems to be fine. Everything seems to be fine on the laptop. And please don't forget that the problem, there was a partial contact. I'll show you again. Let me show you again. It has a partial contact over here. You see that? It was having a partial contact. It was having a partial contact over there. I had to resolder the middle pin. You know. Other than that, there was not much that was done on this laptop. Okay. I'll stop this video now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.